This is Türkiye, from east to west. History, culture, flavors at their best. 81 cities, each one a gem. Hit the road, feel the rhythm deep within. Istanbul history, Bosphorus, seagulls, Galata, Taksim, city lights glow. Full Bursa's Iskender, Uludağ with snow. Kocaeli's factories make it grow. İzmir Boyos Kumru, a seaside walk. Aegean sunsets, laughter as we talk. Muğla's beaches, Bodrum and Fethiye. Blue seas, high paradise on the way. 81 cities, 81 vibes. Each one unique, a masterpiece inside. Cats in the streets, friendly and free. This is Türkiye, pure harmony. Ankara capital, Atatürk stands tall. Tunalı strolls, Sahiye calls. Konya's Nirvana, oven-baked delight. Sivas can go strong, yet kind inside. Samsun sees the sunrise bright. Trabzon's dancing, fish cooked right. Rises tea, mountains green. Black seas fierce, but hearts serene. 81 cities, 81 vibes. Each one unique, a masterpiece inside. Cats in the streets, friendly and free. This is Türkiye, pure harmony. Erzurum's cold, Palandöken's thrill. Kars goose feast, Ani ruins chill. Diyarbakır's walls, echoes of time. Mardin stone homes, Mesopotamian shine. Gaziantep's baklava, kebab so grand. Adana's shalgam, he takes a stand. Antalya beaches, tourism flows. Hatay's kitchen flavors explode. 81 cities, one heartbeat strong. Friendship and brotherhood all along. With cats roaming in every street. This is Türkiye, our love so deep. 81 cities, 81 vibes. Each one unique, a masterpiece inside. Cats in the streets, friendly and free. This is Türkiye, pure harmony. Ankara, capital, Atatürk stands tall. Tunalı strolls, Sahiye calls. Konya's Mevlana, oven-baked delight. Sivas can go strong, yet kind inside. This is Türkiye, pure heart.